So I have this wood ornament that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to remove the jute hanger. And I'm starting by painting it with some Wise Owl chocolate. And then I went and I painted it with some Wise Owl Snow Owl. Now I did not let the chocolate dry completely. And it kind of gave it a distressed look. And I'm just blending the white and letting the brown poke through in some spots. Once that was fully dry, I got this decorative tape. You can find it right at Hobby Lobby. It comes with many different patterns, and this was a 3-pack of Christmas ones. I got them for, I believe, $1.50. And I'm just going to start by taking 4 strips and placing them at the bottom of my ornament. And then I took my second color and pattern, and I did 4 strips in the center of the ornament. And you just want to rub the tape down and leave a little extra so that it folds over the sides of the ornament. And then you can just paint the back to finish that off. And then I went back to the green and placed 4 strips at the top here. And I thought this was a very easy way to decorate these wood ornaments. Now, to keep the tape from lifting, I did use some Wise Owl 1-hour enamel. I grabbed these letters from Hobby Lobby. They come 2 in a pack, and I spelt the word joy, and I'm painting them with some Wise Owl goldenrod. And once they were fully dry, I just used my hot glue to glue them to the center of my ornament. I also thought it would be cute to do like a monogram with the letter pieces, but I chose to spell a word, and I picked joy. And I'm just taking some raffia, and I basically just cut 2 green pieces and 2 red pieces, grouped them together, and tied them in the center. And then I got these decorative bows from the dollar store. I'm just trimming it a little shorter. And using my hot glue, I just glued those 2 pieces together. And then I'm going to take my bow and glue it in the top left corner of the ornament. And now for my hanger, I'm going to cut a nice long piece of jute. I'm going to string it through the hole and string some beads on there. And once I had it at a pretty good length to hang, I just tied a loop at the top and cut off the extra jute. And there we go. Now we have this very easy, colorful joy ornament. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also watch other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.